My name is Hayden Anderson, and I'm an artisan. My passion is taking something ordinary and making it stand out and something that I'm proud of. I like to build and create things with my hands. A while ago, I built a little Honda Z50. So I picked it up and it was a pile of rusty parts, and I ended up making it something cool that I can just mess around on, just ride around for fun. It taught me I can accomplish anything I put my mind to. A true artisan is someone who has perfected their skills over years and years. Working at Artisan Hardware gives me the opportunity to use my talents, and I love being able to put my own passion into our products. My name is Hayden Anderson, and I'm an artisan.